automatically evolving male. Where that's not a knife, that's a knife. Now, today we got a little something special that we're gonna start giving away. Custom ink. So here, and evolving male. I haven't even opened it up yet, so as you can see, we don't know what they're gonna be like. So it could be good, it could be bad. So what we have here is various sizes evolving male t-shirts. So we're going to be picking people to send these to. So what you got to do is you have to like and subscribe, and you, not this video necessarily, coming up soon, I'll tell you when. Like and subscribe. Make sure that your subscription is open to the public so you can see it, so it counts. Otherwise, it doesn't count as a good subscription. Like and subscribe.
They can leave their size in the comments.
Right. If you leave your size in the comments, we'll figure something out. We'll message you and then tell us your address, and we'll send it to you. So get ready because it's coming. Evolving male. Thanks guys for checking me out. Stay tuned for the next video coming your way soon. It should be the installation of the rooftop tent on my Gladiator. I think that's what it's going to be. So stay tuned, and it's coming your way. See you guys later. So this is the shirt. Fits. This is a large, big chest like a monkey. Like a gorilla. Anyway, this is a shirt, so stay tuned. They're coming to one of you. Like and subscribe. See you guys in a little bit.